Want to download older versions of CapCut to get free subtitles and more? You are in the right video. If you find the video useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks. Well, the first step would be to uninstall the current version we have of CapCut, so we can install the old version and have no problems. Now, what we will have to do is to go to your Google and search for CapCut Old Version. Click on this one. And here, we will have all the old versions of CapCut. We will simply choose the one we want to download. In my case, I will choose this one. Then, click on Download. And then just open the installer we downloaded. And that's it. We can have subtitles and other options for free. If you found the video useful, leave me a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.